Number 15, determine whether the relation is a function and state why. Which of the following is true? Okay, so now I'm looking for repeat x's, an x that is paired with more than one y. So I have 2 with -5, and I also have 2 paired with -7. This is like sirens, right? I have repeat x's. I have one x paired with 2 different y's, so r is not a function, okay? Because there is an x value paired with 2 different y values. Um, I could have immediately eliminated C and D. I know this thing is not a function. Let's just look at B so we can see how this doesn't matter, okay? R is not a function because there's a y value paired with 2 different x values. So that is true. I have a y value of -7 that's paired with 2 different x values. So -7 is paired with 5, -7 is paired with 2. This does not matter in terms of whether a relation is a function or not. That is allowed. Okay, what's not allowed is to have an x, one x paired with 2 different y's.